Have you been struggling with getting the required or the necessary views on your channel, or you recently noticed that your videos are no longer performing as much as they should? It could be that YouTube has actually stopped recommending your videos, okay? In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to fix this very problem. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another wonderful video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be telling you what to do if YouTube has actually stopped recommending your videos, all right? Now, how do you know if YouTube has stopped recommending your videos? It could be that you're not getting the needed views on your videos, or your channel has become dormant, all right? Now, if you want to find out how to solve this problem, stick with me, watch this video from the beginning till the end, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to keep getting more updates like this. Now, the very first reason we are going to be looking at is your channel description. Yes, we all know that there's what is called channel description on all channels, okay? Now, the first thing you have to do as a content creator on YouTube is to optimize your channel description. Yes, you need to tell the YouTube what your channel is all about, okay? Now, you're not just telling YouTube what your channel is about, you're equally telling the audience, people that are coming across your channel for the very first time, what exactly your channel is all about, all right? Now, in the description, what you're going to do is to briefly describe what your channel is all about, ensuring to equally put keywords, okay, that are related to the kind of videos you usually dish out on your channel, right? Once you do this, you'll find out that YouTube will be able to know that, okay, yes, this is what this channel is all about, and it will help them to know the relevant or the necessary audience to actually push out your videos to, okay? Yeah. Now, the second reason, aside the description, is channel optimization. All right. Now, how do you optimize your channel? We have what is called channel keywords. Yes. Now, in addition to the description, you have to go to your settings. You have to go to the YouTube Studio settings and move to the channel keywords. And when you get to the channel keywords, what you do there is to impute the keywords that are related to your niche. Now you're going to be putting as much as possible, all right? You have an option of 500 words, okay? So you can choose to cover the entire 500 words option, all right? So what you do, for instance, if you are into a lifestyle niche, you have to ensure that in your channel keywords, you have things like lifestyle, vlogs, living, daily living, and so on and so forth. If you're into tutorial videos, for instance, YouTube education, you can, when you go to your channel keywords, you input YouTube growth, how to grow on YouTube, views, monetization, content creation, as much as you can, all right? Okay, what this channel keyword does is it helps the YouTube to actually know who your target audience is, and it will enable them to push out your videos to those target audience whenever you upload a video. Okay, now the next reason why YouTube may have actually stopped recommending your videos is the upload process itself. Yeah, now it doesn't just stop at the channel description and the channel keywords, all right? You equally have a work to do when you are uploading a video. Each particular video is supposed to be properly optimized, both in the description and in the title and in the tags as well, all right? Now, when you're uploading a particular video, you have to make sure that you're using the relevant keywords, searchable keywords in your title, in the description of that particular video, and in the tags as well, all right? So these are the things that will help YouTube to know that this is what this particular video is all about, and will help them to actually do what? Push out the video, all right? Now, the next reason why YouTube may have stopped recommending your videos is this particular setting. You need to turn it on in your YouTube studio, all right? Now, how do you do this? When you go to your YouTube studio, you scroll down, all right? When you scroll down, that's when you're trying to upload a particular video, okay? After you've done uploading, you go to the editing icon, all right? When you click on it, you scroll down, you keep scrolling down, you see a place that there's an option for allow embedding, all right? Now, you're supposed to tick that option. You're supposed to click it on, okay? You are supposed to turn it on, allow embedding. Now, what this allow embedding does for you is that it enables your videos to be embedded in blogs, websites, and even external sites outside of YouTube, all right? So this helps your videos to be seen. Okay, so when you have this particular setting off in your studio, it's going to limit the rate at which your videos is gonna be pushed. Okay, so go to your YouTube studio right now and make sure you check that button. Okay, put on that setting, allow embedding, all right, so that it can help your videos to be pushed out, even out of the YouTube setting, all right, so that your video can get as far as external sites like blogs and websites. Okay, yes, then another thing you can actually do for YouTube to actually start recommending your videos is equally in the upload process. All right, now when you are uploading or when you are done uploading, you equally go to that editing icon. Scroll down, you will find out where you have option to select the type of video you are publishing. Okay, that's where you have education, how to, lifestyle, entertainment, blogs and people, and so on and so forth. So if you're dishing out a tutorial video or a how-to video, you are supposed to check how to in that icon. If you're dishing out maybe vlogs and the rest of them, you check people and blogs. If your video or content is all about entertainment, comedy and stuff, you click on comedy and the rest of them. Okay, so why you are doing this? You are doing this so that the YouTube can be able to know that this is what this particular video is for, and these are the people, or rather these are the target audience to be for this video to be pushed to. All right, so make sure you do all this, and once you've done this, trust me, okay, trust me, once you've done this, you'll find out that your videos will start getting the views that you need. Okay, they will start getting the needed views. All right, your channel will start moving, your channel will start growing, your channel is going to move from one step to the other. All right, so guys, I believe this video has been of help to so many people out there. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, do what to give this video a massive thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye for now.